Still typing your header and footer on every single page? There's a much easier way. Let me show you how to add a header and footer in the Word mobile app in less than a minute. First, open the Word app on your Android phone. Next, create a new document or open an existing one. I'll create a new document just for this example. Now, tap the Insert menu. Scroll until you find Header and Footer, then tap it. After that, simply type whatever you want in your header and footer. You can add your name, page title, company name, or anything else you need. And that's it. Your header and footer will automatically appear on every page of your document, so you don't have to add them one by one. Super easy, right? If this quick tip helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more simple tech tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.